Okay, you just want to go over the instructions for the peer editing. This is going to be a similar peer editing to what we did with Fahrenheit in the fall, if you remember that. So each of you is going to have one job that you're going to do. And instead of reading entire essays and completing all the questions, you're only going to answer the questions for that one component of the essay. So MLA people in second hour, here's the list: Paige, Kiara, and Derek. Third hour, Ethan, Max, and Lily G. You're going to answer only the MLA questions. So you're going to be paying attention to the header, the heading, the spacing, the margins, the works cited page. There probably won't be one on most papers today. And especially the parenthetical citations. Are those done correctly? Anything that's erroneous, please mark up on the actual paper itself so that the person whose rough draft it is knows the corrections they need to make. Intro and conclusion people. You are only going to read the introduction and conclusion paragraph. All right. You're going to provide feedback in the form of answers to the questions that are relevant for the intro and conclusion section on that peer editing handout. Body paragraph people, you're going to read one body paragraph per essay that you get. You'll read the first unanswered portion. So the first time around, everybody's going to read the first body paragraph. After the first one, it's possible you'll be looking at an essay that has already had the first body paragraph looked at. So then you'll do the second body paragraph. And so on until all the body paragraphs are handled. For anyone, of course, you shouldn't be doing the editing for your own paper. And for body paragraph people, do not do more than one body paragraph per essay. Editors, you are not looking for argumentation. You're looking for grammar. You're the only ones who are going to read the paper start to finish. You don't need to comment on the relevance of the evidence. You don't need to comment on the argumentative nature of the thesis statement or the topic sentences. You're looking for good, fluent writing, all right? Appropriate use of spelling and grammar, capitalization, punctuation, things of that nature. Of course, you have the opportunity to write on these essays if you're an editor and make corrections to those. It's also important, no matter what your job is, that you write your name in the space to the right after you've answered that question, like who's the person responsible for the feedback here, such that if I had a question about a comment someone had written in response to one of the questions, I would be able to talk to that person and get some clarification and understanding of what they thought that I should be doing in order to improve the essay. Once you're done, bring the essay and the traveling question sheet that should be accompanying it up to a central location somewhere in the middle of the room, and Mr. Hardy can help facilitate sort of the transition as you wait for one paper and pick up another one. It's possible that if some of the categories are imbalanced due to absences today, that those will need to be rebalanced. Mr. Hardy will also provide leadership for that. Yeah, I think that's it. All right. Now for real, happy peer editing.